Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most commonly used custom fields: title, name, phone, email, and address. These fields form the backbone of most objects because nearly every contact, lead, deal, or any other object record will use them. The title field is used to capture prefixes such as doctor, professor, advocate, or colonel, helping you maintain formal identification of contacts. The name field ensures that every record includes a properly structured full name by separating first, middle, and last names. The phone field standardizes phone numbers with country codes and formats, making them accurate and ready for direct dialing. The email field validates and stores email addresses so you always have a reliable channel for communication. The address field captures location details, either as a simple entry or in a detailed format with country, state, city, and postal code. Let's take a look at the first one, title field. It's a very simple yet effective field. I have configured a field named Contact Title using the title field type. For validation, I chose alphanumeric, which means only alphabets and numbers are allowed. The maximum characters are set to 5, since titles are usually very short. Now let's see how this actually reflects in the object. Contact Title is displayed exactly as set, and we can enter title with maximum 5 characters in it. The name field ensures that a person's identity is captured in a structured format. In the name field configuration, display options include prefix, first name, which is mandatory, last name, and suffix. I've enabled prefix and set the values as Mr., Mrs., and Miss. I've also enabled the last name. If you want, you can use any separator to separate the parts of names. The full name field appears in the object with prefix, first name, and last name, just like we configured. Next is the phone field. In the configuration, I've marked the field as is unique. Enabling this ensures that duplicate records with same phone number are prevented. For display, I've enabled country code, number, ISO code, and type, though type is optional. To make numbers easy to read, I've set the separator as a hyphen. Phone number verification lets you ensure that all entries follow the proper dialing format. The default country is set to the United States with country code 1, but you can add others as needed. The regex field is configured to allow specific characters, ensuring valid input. There is also a test option, which can be enabled if you want to validate numbers during setup. In the object, the primary phone number is neatly displayed in the object in the set format, with the country code, the number, the ISO code, and the type. Now, the email field. Display fields determines how the primary email field will be segmented. In this, ID is mandatory and type is optional, but I've enabled it. You can also enable domain and email validation if you want the system to check for invalid domains or incorrect email formats. In the object, the primary email is displayed in its set format, with the email ID and type. The address field lets you capture location information for your contacts. While configuring, you'll see 3 radio button options: manual, geolocation, and standard. I've selected standard, which means the address is captured in a structured way with separate fields for address, country, state, city, and postal code. All of these are enabled here. If you choose manual, you can type the entire address as free text, and if you choose geolocation, the system will capture location details automatically using GPS. Finally, the address is shown in the proper structured format with the address line, country, state, city, and postal code, just as we configured. And that's a complete walkthrough of title, name, phone, email, and address field types. These fields may seem simple, but together they make up the backbone of any customer record.